You need a drawing sheet, you need a pencil, an eraser, you need a ruler, a scale, you need some brushes. Like I have some round brushes. These are 3 different sizes. Plus I have a flat brush to take out the colors and for mixing. If you don't have a flat brush, don't bother. You'll need at least these 3 round brushes. Okay. Our drawing, we are going to make a drawing which is in portrait form. Your page should be kept like this. So we are not making a horizontal thing, okay? We are making a portrait thing. For that, and the drawing that we'll make is a 21 centimeter into 15 centimeter piece, okay? So I'll tell you how to start. First, I want you to draw a very like a very light, not very, you don't have to apply a lot of pressure on your pencil, a very light line which is 21 centimeters, just like this. So I'm making a line right in the center of the page. It's approximately, no, it's around 21 centimeters from here to here. So I have left some margins on the top and on the bottom. This time I'm going to place my scale horizontally and I'm making a 15 centimeter line. It's a 15 centimeter line and it cuts the vertical line at 7.5, okay? All right, the kind of drawing that we are doing today basically focuses on some sort of symmetry. So that's why we are taking all the measurements and we are making a very symmetrical picture. Now, on this 15 centimeter line, I want you to mark 1 centimeter on each side. Just mark 2 points at a gap of 1 centimeter on each side. Same goes for the vertical line. We are going to mark points at a 1 centimeter from both the sides. This we are doing to make the borders of our image. So once you've done that, I want you to draw these lines. You can in fact just keep the vertical one and just erase the horizontal one. Okay. All right. So once you're done up to here, I want you to place your scale, take a measurement from here and mark a point which is up at 2.5 centimeters. Okay. Just like this. So this point is at 2.5 centimeters. And now I am taking all the measurements from the inner border. Second that you have to mark is at 11.5. So I have 1 point over here, another over here. This is how you have to start. You start from the point on the top, the 2.5 centimeter one. This should be fine. This is how it has to look. Now, you have to start from here and just go up to the sides, just like this. Now, I'm trying to make these eyebrows and the nose part. So you have to make this line and it has to be towards the, I mean, more towards the head region. Okay. So just one line like this and another one like this. So once you've done it, I want you to draw a line just like this. So you can do it freehand. And I'm going to add the eyes. So you have to start from this tip and go up to here. All right. So once you've done it, I want you to add another arch, which is just slightly above the eyes that you've made, like this. Okay. And then you add these eyes. Next is go on to the forehead and make this semicircle right here. It's a very small semicircle, just like this. And then you add another two. Next is you have to add these triangular shapes to make it look like a bindi. So just like this, and a tiny dot right here. Once you're through up to here, I'm just completing the nose region, and then we're gonna make the mouth. Okay. Now, just below the nose, okay, there should not be a lot of distance. You have to draw this small line. And then, yeah, okay, right from this region where the eyes are ending, you have to start a bit from a bit over it, and you have to go like this. And you're going to end it somewhere near the nose region, okay? Just like this. So to start here near the eye and take it up to here. Then you add a loop like this. Once you've done this much, you have to add this line. I mean, this should be surrounding your region from here to here. So we're through up to here. Now I'm going to add, so right where the ear is ending, you have to just come slightly down, and from here you have to start adding the neck region. Okay, and this has to go all the way up to here. Okay, so you have to join it just from one side. Don't join it from this side, because we have to make another drawing over here. Just from this side. Now for the next step, I want you to point just below the earlobe like this, and so now let's just start from here. I'm going to make I'm going to make another outline. And then there has to be a line from here. Again, from this side as well. Then one final thing. So this region is completed. Now we are going to work on this region over here. So right, just slightly below this area, you have to make a line which make this drawing just like this. It should go up to here. Once you're through up to here, you have to draw this. You have to join this particular point from this point, and then another one right here. Here. First, you have to add a line, a straight line. Then a slightly slant line, a very small one. Another one just like this. Now, a line which joins all the way to the end. And now this one, you have to add a slight arch like this, and then you have to join it all the way to the end. Then right above this, you add one more line like this. Now use slightly curvy lines to join, just like this. And then you have to add some laddus onto the plate. So let's just start with the face. So for the face, I'm going to use yellow. First, I want you to start with the neck region. So let me just grab my eraser. I will remove this line. Because that's a safer area. We don't have any chances of smudging anything. So let's just start with this particular area. Whenever you start coloring, make sure first thing first, you have to do the edges. You have to outline the region that you are coloring. Okay. So very gently with the brush, you have to make an outline. Just move it around so that it mixes all the colors together. Okay. You just have to mix everything together with a dry brush. It will give a very smooth texture then. Now let's just start doing the face. So make sure when you're doing the sides, you are using your tip of the brush, just like this, so that it gives a very fine line. But when you are doing the regions that are slightly broader, you can just simply slide your brush like this, okay? So I'm gonna first color this one yellow, and then we'll start with the green one, okay? The green goes in the first in here. Now I'm going to grab a flat brush and I'm going to make the border. First, you have to fill in this red color in here. Now, let's just take the black marker pen and start doing the outline. So first we are going to do the face because it's already dry. And you have to be very cautious when you're doing it. You don't want to spill any colors. So I'm just starting from here. Okay, and once you're through, you can just draw the lines and make the outline. So I think we are done for the day.